everyone, welcome to day 309 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the cross looped double crochet stitch. So this is a very stretchy stitch and it would be an ideal stitch if you're making like a tank top or a alternate top, basically any variable that you want to have a nice snug. So it's a very simple stitch and it grows really fast. And it can be used in any big projects. The rows of stitch starts with the foundation row of double crochet stitches, which is an even number. So you start off with a chain 3, turn your work, skip one stitch and make one double crochet into the next one. Now, so this is where you have to be very careful while making the crosses, because if you just insert into this like this, you're not going to get across. It would almost look like a V-stitch. So what you have to do is yarn over and you have to make one stitch in one double crochet into the skipped stitch here. While you're doing that, you have to turn your double crochet like this and then pull up a loop. Okay, again complete your double crochet. So when you do this, it would actually look like a crossed stitch. Okay. So the next one, I'm just going to make it normal for you to understand the difference. So again, skip one double crochet, skip one double crochet into the next one, make one double crochet. Now this time I'm not going to turn it. Okay. So just directly insert like this and make a double crochet. You see the difference? So this looks like a cross while this looks like a V-stitch. Okay. So that's the pattern, the row repeat for this row. You have to do this till the end of the row. So what it basically does is it kind of stretches out the golden loop a bit when you turn your work like this. Okay. Now there is one stitch left where you just make one double crochet. The chain 3 that we did at the start of the row counts as one double crochet. Now for the loop part of the daisy, where you chain your chain 3, turn your work, and into each of these double crochet stitches you're going to make a front loop double crochet stitch. Okay. So you want the ripped portion to be on one side. So depending on that, you can switch between front loop and back loop on this row. So that's about the stitch. It's just a simple 2-row repeat. You have to repeat those 2 rows over and over again till you reach the length that you want. So when you make one double crochet into each of these stitches, you will come back to the same number of stitches as your foundation chain. So if you don't have that, that means you have missed a stitch somewhere. Do try out the stitch and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch.